Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Jeep Renegade headlight. First, gather your essential tools, a new H13 bulb and a flathead screwdriver. Before starting, ensure your Jeep Renegade is completely off and the engine has cooled down for safety. Now, open the hood of your vehicle and carefully locate the specific headlight assembly you need to replace. This initial preparation ensures a safe and smooth replacement process. Next, use your flathead screwdriver to carefully remove the two retaining clips that secure the headlight assembly in place. Once the clips are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward. This will give you enough space to access the back of the bulb. Then, twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing. Now, carefully pull the old H13 bulb straight out from its socket. When handling the new H13 bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb firmly into the socket. Finally, twist the socket clockwise until it clicks into place, securing the new bulb properly. To finish up, carefully push the entire headlight assembly back into its original position until it sits flush. Reinsert the two retaining clips you removed earlier to firmly secure the assembly. Double-check that everything is snug and properly aligned. You've successfully changed your Jeep Renegade headlight. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.